Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, fan, heatsink, left speaker, system board, display panel assembly, display panel, left hinge cover, and left display panel hinge. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive on the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel and adhesive on the display enclosure.